Hey, it's Heather, and these are my March faves of 2021. First, Ben Brown's Fieldwork photography book and some prints that he sent. They arrived early March, and I am so excited and proud of Ben for publishing his very first photography book. And I absolutely love these extra prints that he sent along. We've got his neighbour's car, which is an amazing classic. Spot, his cat, soaking up the sunshine in the window. And a little kitty that lives behind a burger store. Great work, Ben, on an amazing photography book. And number 2 is pop vinyl. I added to my little pop vinyl collection by finding Kaylee Frye from Firefly. I absolutely love her. And I found Avinia from Monster Hunter Stories in a sale as well. And I love her outfit, and she just is really neat. Number 3 is comics, and these are the first ones that I've really bought for myself. They are by Greg Park, the Firefly series, on a recommendation from Malcolm from On the Subject, which is part of Geeks Rising after we recorded Serenity. I love them. You can see I'm missing a few, but that's what happens when you collect them late. And hopefully one day I'll be able to find some. Number 4 is vinyl records, and I added to my vinyl record collection this month. I've got Monty Python's Life of Brian, Niall Horan's Mirrors, and Lady Gaga's Chromatica, which is actually a see-through vinyl, my first one, and I love listening to it. Thanks for watching, and check out everything else we've got at geeksrising.com. Until next time, be empowered by nature.